Good morning. Today I'm just going to talk for a few minutes about ROs and storage tanks. So the reason why you have a storage tank is so that when you go to fill up the Mr. Coffee, get a glass of water, fill up a sports bottle or something, you don't have to wait forever at the faucet. So what happens is city or well water comes in here, comes out through this tube and fills the tank. And there is an air bladder in this tank, similar to an inner tube for a car or bicycle tire. So as it's making water, it's pushing that air charge or bladder down so that when you open up the faucet inside the house to get water, it wants to escape. It pushes it back up. There are different size storage tanks, but this is the most common because most of the time this has to fit in underneath the sink with all your plumbing and everything else. We do have builders, and we talked about it last week's video, that if you plumb the house, you could actually have all this equipment in the garage, and then you could choose larger storage tanks. But they've done a lot of studies, and most people don't drink more than a gallon of water at one time. And it will take anywhere between 3 and 5 hours to fill this tank totally up. So at breakfast, you might draw it down a little bit, has time to recover. Lunch, you might draw it down, it has time to recover, and recover means fill. At dinner, you might almost take it down to the bottom, but then it's got 8 hours or so to recover and fill back up, so the next morning you've got water. But again, there's different size storage tanks that will fit your needs. So if you have any questions, just give us a call. Thank you.